This is from
But
Wenger's, by
I
the way.
need to know, please, for our viewers, we need to talk about this also. How have you both lost so much weight? Anand का तो थोड़ा बहुत पता
लग रहा
है.
है.
So let's start. Now let him eat while you tell
I
us.
know.
Ranveer.
Intermittent fasting, zindabad.
Really? कितने घंटे क्या?
At least, I mean, I tried. There are days when I don't. Like today, I told you I ate the sandwich on the flight. So there are days when I break it also. But by and large, I try to keep at least 16.
Wow.
You've done 18, right?
Yeah.
And on good days, I do OMAD, one meal. And there are some,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
for example, अगर मैंने एक आधा दिन 2 दिन binge किया है, तो तीसरे दिन I'll just do one meal a day.
वो Jimmy Kimmel वाला ना 3-day fasting and वो भी
नहीं वो नहीं होता मेरे से. मैं I go by the gut, मतलब go by the
भूख लगी
gut.
है.
go with the gut.
So I go by the how I'm feeling like.
हाँ.
But I've done well. Last we met. I think
Yes.
I was around 81.
We met at a restaurant and we.
You took me for French food. I'll never forget
I know, and I paid for it also.
Yeah. I'm waiting for you to come to Bombay so I can pay for.
So this was in France or this was
No,
in
no. This
was in Le Delhi.
Le Delhi?
Paul.
यहाँ पे कहाँ French है यार?
Bistro.
Bistro. अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
मुझे याद है फ्रेंच फूड खिलाने लिए मुझे लेके गए
हाँ
थे.
ये
croissant.
एस्कार्गो खाया नहीं ये तो वेजिटेरियन
मैं
है.
वेजिटेरियन हूँ.
हाँ.
But I think I.
मैंने खाया.
हाँ.
लग्रैंड से इसको पिक किया था उसके बाद लपॉल पे खिला दिया.
लबरिजियन पे कॉफी पी गए थे.
और ले अब तू जा.
And what is yours was a health scare and
So
as a
I
result.
no dieting because you can see. ये अभी मैं कितनी 12 इडली खा चुका हूँ. 6 यहाँ पे इन्होंने वो रखे थे पनीर के क्या थे वो रोल्स.
हाँ.
सारे मैं खा गया. आपका भी छीन लिया. इनफैक्ट इतनी दया आई स्मिता को कि इसने प्लेट सरका दी मेरी तरफ यार यू नो. So dieting will never. I am a huge foodie. I cannot have.
But you've stopped having Mysore Pak?
No, I have
वो नहीं है.
some sugar free sometimes. Sugar free Mysore Pak.
Oh,
Sugar actually I've
who's
cut out.
making
ये-
sugar free Mysore
बहुत
Pak?
मिलता है आजकल.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Yeah,
क्यों
I
क्या
did-
स्टीविया डालते हैं?
Yeah, stevia.
Yeah, that steamed chole bhature was an iconic thing.
How
tweet.
can you have
I know.
steamed kulche bhature?
हाँ, exactly.
I know.
The Panju in him comes out. You know, like,
Oxymoron है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And you know that Rich Verma had done ना, मैंने वो tweet भी किया. The former ambassador to US ambassador to India. He's like the smell of chole
खा के
bhature.
दिखा.
Rich, current ambassador did it.
क्या?
Current ambassador, he saw the chole bhature. being
No.
cooked. Rich Verma did.
Rich
it?
Verma did.
Ah, okay.
तो वो मतलब the smell of छोले भटूरे भाई smell
खाया नहीं
क्या?
उसने?
खा के तो देखो he didn't eat
उसको बोल
anything.
पहले खा उसके बाद स्मेल देख.
जब तक हाय
हे
हाय.
भगवान.
But it's true that कि छोले भटूरे has that aura, you know. अगर
amazing.
अगर नीयत खराब नहीं हुई छोले भटूरे देख के तो फिर तुम कहाँ के दिल्ली वाले हो?
अच्छा, I am not a bhature person. I like kulche.
Really?
I like kulche and I like the chole also पीपे वाले.
The yellow one.
अमृतसरी.
अच्छा वो दूसरे
They- which
चने.
in the tin.
हाँ,
in
वो
the-
नहीं,
हरे
नहीं, वो
वाले
brass
हरे
के,
brass
कुलचे
हाँ.
कुलचे वाले छोले.
येलो वाले होते
वो
हैं.
मटर है actually.
मटर.
मटर है.
मटर
मटरा
कुलचा.
कुलचा
Yeah,
देखो
yeah,
ना
yeah.
दिल्ली में.
And no, it's
नहीं,
not
छोले.
मटर only in Punjab. It's called matran.
मटरा. वही तो.
मटरा यार.
छोले कुलचे कहते हैं हमारे वहाँ जो डोने में
But intermittent से you've lost like.
yeah 5-6 kgs. Yeah, 5-6 kgs.
For work or was it like no health?
No, it was something which I wanted to do for myself also because over the time ना वो आप accumulate होता रहा है जब से.
COVID.
नहीं उसके पहले से accumulate होता रहा है.
But you were abroad like during COVID. You were shooting for that metro wala.
No, that
metro
was
park.
after.
Post COVID.
Post-COVID.
Okay.
COVID तो मैं भी सबकी तरह घर पे ही था.
Okay.
हाँ.
Anand, आप Raz.
Yeah, so Raz is just obsessively exercising 1 hour a day.
What cardio?
Just running. Running, jogging. That's it. So today, so normally at 5-6 o'clock in the evening, I go for a run. Today, because
treadmill
of this,
or a park or something?
park.
Nice.
So today I got up in the morning to do it because I won't be able to do it in the evening.
But again, smoker.
take my sneakers.
You were a smoker.
Yes,
Smoker
yeah.
gave up
Well,
smoking.
I had, my last cigarette
heart
was
scare.
during the heart attack.
Yeah. Can you imagine?
हे भगवान.
कि ये क्या चल रहा है यार बताओ भाई क्या हो रहा है ये दर्द कहाँ से हो रहा है.
धूम्रपान मना है. रणवीर आप भी करो ये
I
stop.
want to- I want
You
to.
haven't quit?
Not yet.
Yeah.
I should.
He.
No, I'm
he
not
had
one to
such
recommend because I used to hate when people used to say quit smoking. I said, yaar,
No, I don't hate it. I know it's something which
yeah,
I need to do.
along
and,
the way,
especially because my son is now, he's going to be
Telling.
13.
Impressionable age.
हाँ, so I have to quit now.
But we live in Delhi, तो हम second hand smoke तो हमारा
हाँ,
चलता रहता
आपका
है.
तो
So of course.
Delhi is like all of us have patchy lungs because एक तो सबको कोविड हो चुका है.
प्राणायाम करो, it really helps. I'm not kidding. ये इसके बाद मैं तुमको एक दो दिखा दूंगा एक्सरसाइजेस, वो जरूर करो रोज सुबह.
हाँ.
You'll actually see gunk coming out.
Really?
Really?
You'll see at least if you do it every day, you'll see gunk coming out.
Wow. Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.